Bitcoin money, BCH, is a digital currency made from a hard fork blockchain split from Bitcoin in August 2017. This guide will offer you essentially the most recent Bitcoin money cost expectation for 2023, 2025 and 2030 that was being made starting around 17 February 2023. And its extended development from specialized investigation to basic cost history. The Bitcoin money BCH cost expectation certainly has forever been a worry to the advertisers and financial backers, which is very huge. Toward the finish of this survey, the fate of Bitcoin money will be uncovered to you. We will explicitly attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some pressing issues. Is Bitcoin money a decent purchase? Does Bitcoin money fundamentally have a future, which basically is genuinely huge? How high might Bitcoin money at some point basically go, or what will Bitcoin money really be worth in 5 years, which is genuinely critical? Prior to jumping into the Bitcoin money cost expectation and talking about numbers that could what explicitly is Bitcoin money, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin Cash explicitly is a quite hard fork, or side project, from the Bitcoin blockchain that happened on 1 August 2017. The split came as the Bitcoin people group couldn't arrive at agreement on a very proposition to build the organization's ability to generally take into consideration more exchanges, which generally is very huge. In spite of the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the scarcely the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency, which really is very critical. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time commonly high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money certainly was grown, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. It exists independently from BTC and performs comparable exchanges. BCH has its own personal accomplices, yet as far as the turnover inside the organization, it is behind Bitcoin. Like BTC, the stock of BCH sort of is covered at 21 million coins, which essentially is very critical. The decent stockpile in a real sense is expected to restrict expansion and explicitly make Bitcoin Cash a store of significant worth. Up until this point, in every way that really matters, in excess of 2,800 vendors acknowledge BCH for installment, as per information ordered by CryptoCards. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking, BCH value examination, or so they thought, BCH had a kind of promising start, yet has encountered unrest from that point forward. The BCH cost arrived at its record-breaking essentially high during the December 2017 cryptographic money rally, taking off to $4,355.62 from $1,381.81 toward the beginning of the month. Fundamentally, in spite of mainstream thinking, the coin was exchanging beneath $1,000 by February 2018 and following a spike above $1,600 in May 2018, in a real sense, stayed underneath that level until the May 2021 crypto rally really lifted the cost to $1,635.15 on 12 May 2021. Amazingly, BCH exchanged well beneath $1,000 during the ensuing September and November 2021 market rallies, finishing the year at $430.64. The value dropped to $160.07 on 12 May 2022. In the midst of the Luna crash, negative feeling commonly burdened the cost, hauling it to around $97 toward the finish of 2022. The coin's cost has the normal market unpredictability. However, many individuals really accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. Amazingly, at press time, Bitcoin money especially is exchanging at $129.32. BCH for the most part is on the ascent to begin 2023, ascending around 33%, starting from the start of the year. Bitcoin money value forecasts 2023, 2025, 2030 in an extremely enormous way. We've covered the majority of the significant things you want to be familiar with Bitcoin money, BCH, prior to thinking about its cost forecast. Assuming you are truly keen on putting resources into the coin, this really is an ideal opportunity to be essentially more mindful. Do note, nonetheless, that expectations in a real sense are not a substitute for your especially own examination, and really a reasonable level of effort. Incredibly, to truly assist you with concluding whether Bitcoin money really is a decent purchase today, here are a few key targets it might arrive at before the finish of 2030. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. In light of the specialized examination by crypto specialists, it in every practical sense is assessed that BCH will really be exchanged somewhere in the range of $155.59 and $194.41 toward the finish of 2023, with a fundamentally normal cost of $181.56 for the year. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025, which truly is very critical. According to our Bitcoin money cost forecast 2025, the assessed BCH cost would be somewhere in the range of $388.81 and $453.62 in 2025, averaging out at $414.90 amazingly. Bitcoin money value forecast 2030. As opposed to prevalent thinking, in view of our Bitcoin money cost expectation 2030, at the exceptionally most noteworthy, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at a greatest cost of $1,101.64 toward the finish of 2030, with an in every practical sense, least cost of $1,036.84, and an all things considered, normal cost of $1,063.25. Here, it merits bringing up that 2030 is still quite far away in an unobtrusive manner. 7 years down the line, the crypto market could for the most part be impacted by a large group of various occasions and updates, every one of which explicitly is hard to learn, which is genuinely huge. Hence, it's best that expectations like these essentially are taken with a touch of salt in a genuinely significant manner. BCH value forecast and really is Bitcoin money a decent explicitly purchase in a truly significant manner? This BCH cost expectation sticks the plausible focuses for 2023. 2025 and 2030. Whether Bitcoin money comprises a wise venture relies heavily on how you basically anticipate that the digital currency should act from now on, which is very huge. Bitcoin money could be viewed as a decent purchase in the event that you accept its versatility, and quicker handling will prompt boundless reception. Or on the other hand, assuming you sort of accept that BCH will profit from its relationship with Bitcoin, it in a real sense is just truly fair that we really close this part by sounding the advance notice that because of the eccentric and unpredictable nature of crypto markets, gauges are not resistant to changing conditions and will sort of be refreshed with new turns of events, which explicitly is very critical. Make certain to in every practical sense, take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, basic and specialized examination, and specialists' viewpoints prior to making any speculation, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. What is Bitcoin money utilized for? Which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money joins gold-like shortage with the spendable idea of money in a significant manner. With a restricted all-out supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin money really is provably scant. And, as especially actual money, can be effortlessly spent. Exchanges are quick with exchange expenses regularly kind of under a tenth of a penny. Anyone can truly acknowledge Bitcoin money installments with a cell phone or PC incredibly. Bitcoin money has different use cases, which is very critical. Notwithstanding shared installments between people, Bitcoin money can be